after, gonna catch me after I go get this beat. Oh, I know you want some laughter, we'll make it happen after. Not
feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're.
Hey guys, the palette that I'm using today is the karabeauty Before the Party, and right now I'm trying to decide what shadow that I want to use, and I think the shadow that I use is called Beautiful. So that's how they got it, is a Beautiful. So that's what I'm using right now, and then I will, after a while, I will go in with Cue the Confetti. So yeah, that's what I'm using right now. So I'll come back when I get ready to do the next shadow.
Yes, afraid to lose each other, counting the hours till I see you again.
Okay guys, right now, as I said, I was adding the Cue the Confetti. That's what I'm adding right now. It's darkening, since I got that brown as the base and I put the blue on top when it's already dark, it's darkening. So right now I'm blending out the harshness. So, you know, to make it look smooth, look, you know, kind of, what I'm trying to say is the more you blend, the more it looks smoother, the more it looks better. That's what I'm trying to say. If you will. So right now that's what I'm doing, and now I'm adding the blue on the top, and that one is Free Tequila. That's what that one is called. I mean, I ain't mean to say blue, it's the shimmer blue, and it's Free Tequila. And right now, as y'all see, I'm using the Fenty Pro Filter foundation as setting under my eyebrow bone. Yeah, so my brow bone. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm smoothing it out so it won't look so harsh and dark. So that's what I'm doing right now. So guys, I hope y'all guys are enjoying the video so far, but I will be back. Hey guys, this is my signature. I always do this. I'm cleaning up under my eyes where the eyeshadow is. It's kind of like I'm pulling my eyes upward when I do that, you know, clean up under my eyes and pull it all the way back. You know, I'm trying to explain. I'm not good at explaining, but I hope y'all get what I'm saying. But you know, right now I am cleaning under my eyes as y'all see. So yeah, I used the LA Girl Pro Conceal Toffee under my eyes. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, and as I'm praising God. All right, I love y'all.
Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations, too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know.
Hey guys, I'm getting ready to use the concealer. It's the hydrating, it's a cameo concealer. That's what I'm using now, and I'm getting ready to show y'all guys which one that I'm using. I think I showed y'all already, huh? Yeah, I did. But anywho, that's what I'm using, and I love it. Y'all need to try it out. Yeah, I love the doe foot. See what I'm saying? I love the doe foot. Okay. All right.
Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Don't wanna think about the past. I'm crying out behind a mask. So give me something for the pain. I wanna lose myself.
Hey guys, I just want to jump back on here and just tell y'all guys, I hope y'all are enjoying the tutorial so far. But I just want to know if y'all want me to do any more tutorials where I'm talking in it and explaining the best I know how. But yeah, I just want to just jump on here and just ask y'all guys these questions. And everything that I use in this video, most of them I'm a creature of habit. If I love it, I'm gonna keep constantly using it. But yeah, I just want to jump on here and tell y'all guys I love y'all, and please like, share, and subscribe, and push that notification bell so that you can get a banging tutorial like this every time I post. Okay guys, all right, I love y'all. Until next time.